One of the last, but most critical steps in solar installation is physically securing the PV module onto the racking system. Despite significant advancements across solar, PV module attachment methods have remained largely unchanged, relying on antiquated fasteners like bolts, bolted clamps, or rivets that make the attachment process not only inefficient, but full of mistakes. Improperly installed, loose, or over-torqued fasteners are a common cause of catastrophic system failures. We bring to you the VesprSolar V-clamp system. The VesprSolar V-clamp system provides a standardized approach for attaching PV modules that increases the security and resiliency of PV arrays. It is a low-cost, ergonomic, and extremely fast PV module fastening system that saves weeks in PV installation time. Its core technology is the V-clamp, a novel, smarter fastener that not only physically secures the PV module, but also provides integrated electrical bonding and wire management. The V-clamp's teeth bite down firmly onto the PV module, while two locking tabs slide into the V-clamp mounting interface. The connection becomes stronger as additional force is applied. These features allow each V-clamp to withstand over 1,000 pounds of uplift force, the equivalent of Category 5 hurricane winds. This locking mechanism makes PV arrays more secure, lowering their risk of failure in high wind situations. The V-clamp system easily integrates with today's leading PV modules and racking systems. VesprSolar has developed a family of adapters to make the V-clamp compatible with a variety of system configurations and module orientations. The V-clamp system standardizes the PV module attachment process, so system operators won't be locked into a single PV module technology and can easily replace or upgrade the PV modules. Each V-clamp is secured in less than 5 seconds, making the PV module attachment over 3 times faster. VesprSolar, making solar installation faster, cheaper, and more reliable.